Cost. Cost is heavy. You give me what I want, and you may ask anything. No. Not that. Only a pinpoint, Monsieur Beaumont, in a glass of wine, or perhaps a flower. Take it. The time is very brief. You must do your share if I am to help you. Keep it, monsieur. Keep it. You may change your mind. Send me word when you use it. I'll find another way. There is no way.